Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a must-have tool for your Halloween prep, the Amarco Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Jack-o'-lantern, whether you're planning a spooky masterpiece or just some fun pumpkin faces, this 10-piece carving set is going to make the job way easier and a lot more fun. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. First up, it comes in this convenient storage bag, which keeps all the tools organized and makes sure nothing gets lost in the Halloween chaos. You get 10 stainless steel tools that include carving knives, scoops, and some creative stencils to guide your design. These tools are made for precision, so you can carve with detail and accuracy, no matter how intricate your design is. Now, what really sets this kit apart is the professional-grade stainless steel ***. These aren't your ordinary plastic tools. They're durable and sharp enough to handle even the toughest pumpkins without breaking a sweat. Plus, they're designed to be comfortable to hold, so you won't get tired even if you're carving multiple pumpkins. The stencils are a great feature for beginners or anyone who wants to try something a bit more detailed. You simply place the stencil on your pumpkin, and the tools let you carve out some amazing designs with ease. As you can see, the final result is nothing short of impressive. This kit gives you the versatility to go from simple designs to more complex ones, making it perfect for all skill levels. And when you're done, everything goes right back into the storage bag, so cleanup is quick and easy. So, if you're looking to take your pumpkin carving to the next level this Halloween, the Amarco Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit is a solid choice. With 10 professional-grade tools and everything you need to make your designs come to life, it's a fun and practical gadget for the season. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab yours today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget reviews and Halloween tips. Thanks for watching and happy carving! Jack-o'-lantern Ghost.